The drawing that we have on the board shows the house of Mrs. Dahiti. The problem that she has is not having easy access to hot water. For this, she has to boil many kettles of water, and it's costing her a lot of money. What she does have, though, is free access to the energy from the sun. A solution to the problem that we have with not having easily accessible hot water could be to have a solar system installed onto our roof. By means of this, we will be able to use the energy from the sun to heat hot water inside of our solar collector.
Goeiedag Brian, ek is bly om vir jou te sien.
Dieselfde die kan mevrou Tahiti.
Hoe gaan dit met jou?
Dat gaan goed, dankie.
Nee, maar wij gaan het dieselfde, jy kan maar inkom.
Baie dankie.
I must make you a cup of tea. I'm glad to see you this morning and I'm glad that your mother sent you to my house because I saw that thing there on your mother's roof. I don't know what is it really, but she told me about the water. It's a geyser, some kind of a solar geyser. Because we are 4 people in the house now and every time I must put 4 kettles of water for everyone to wash. And you see, we can't wash in a little bit of water. Oh my goodness, the power ran out. But okay, I use this little bit low water. Are you fine with this? And make you a cup of tea. But I ran out of power. So you can drink this tea, but you must explain me about it solar geyser.
So this drawing resembles what the installation will look like on your roof. We'll first be strengthening your roof to make sure that it is able to carry the weight of the system. Once we have strengthened your roof, we are then ready to put the system on there. The different parts of the system is the frame that will go onto the roof first. Then we will have our collector. Our collector will collect the energy from the sun. And then from there, the hot water will be stored in our tank over here until you are ready to use it by means of your hot water tap that we will be installing. So what happens is, from the morning till the afternoon, the sun is traveling across the sky. So we need to make sure that when we install your system, that it is orientated so that the sun penetrates or sends as much radiation directly onto the collector. In that way, we'll make sure that your system is efficient. So let's say, for instance, in summer, you will have at least, let's say, 8 hours of direct sunshine onto your collector, and that you will be able to store in your tank for use. The system doesn't use any electricity, so it's only using the energy of the sun to heat your water. So you will save a lot of money on electricity because you don't need to use your kettle that much. Let's say, for instance, in winter, we don't have as much sunshine. So let's say we have a cloudy day outside. Because of the type of collector that we are using, it will still be able to absorb energy from the sun. And the tank that we have on our roof is insulated. So it keeps the water inside warm.
Okay, that is. Dan moet jy hom nou stewig sit sodat hy nie kan 'n lekkasie het van een van die pype of so nie.
Yeah. When we install it, before we leave the site, we will make sure that it is on, that there are no leaks on the system, and that it is installed sturdily on your roof. So when the wind blows, there's no risk of it being blown over or the system tilting. And then remember, like I said first, what we have to do first is to strengthen your roof so that the geyser won't, let's say in the middle of the night when you're sleeping, all of a sudden there's a geyser next to you on the bed because it fell through. So that is why we're making the roof stronger so it can carry the system on your roof. And it's not going to be that heavy. If the geyser is, let's say it's a 100-liter geyser, the water in there is about 100 kilograms, and then the panel and the other goodies are just a couple of kilograms more.
As iemand nou 'n klip op die boonste part van die geyser, as hy hom nou gooi, en sal dit nou breek of hoe sal dit?
All of these panels have to undergo testing for that type of thing, specifically for depending on the type of area. And if there's hail, you'd also be worried. What if there's a big piece of hail falling from the sky onto the panel? Is it going to break, yes or no? The glass that is used in the panel is tempered glass, so it's safety glass. So if somebody throws a stone on there, it'll have to be a huge stone that would have to be dropped on there for the glass to break.
Dat is 'n brandgevaar.
Yeah, because there's no electricity here and the system has no components that could possibly ignite due to exposure to the sun, there is no risk of a fire starting because of having the system installed in your house.
En as ek nou, kan ek dit net gebruik vir was of kan ek maar vir jou koppie tee ook maak van die water?
The water that is used in the system is the same potable water that is coming from your cold tap. So it would be safe for consumption.
Okay, nou so die son se strale val mos nou op die silinder, nee. Nou as hy nou soggens opkom, kyk hy kom ons nou op. Dan val hy nie een kant, maar as hy son ondergaan, dan val hy nie ander kant.
Yeah.
So hy hitte tref om al kante.
Ja.
Die strale tref om dan al kante.
What will happen is when your system is installed, we need to check that it is where the true north is. In that way, we can track the movement of the sun during the day, and we can ensure that between the morning and the afternoon, you will get maximum exposure onto your collector, which will give you an efficient system that is able to store enough energy to heat your water.
Ag, baie dankie Ryan, is 'n plesier om jou hier te kan hê vandag.
Goed zo, mevrouw Teetje.
Geniet jou tyd verder.
Oké.
Ons sal mekaar weer.
Dank je. Tot ziens.
Totsiens. Totsiens jou. Veilige reis.